Maria Lopez Sanchez. Maria Lopez Sanchez is my aunt, and she is someone who was always inspiring me with her kindness and determination. She was born on March 3, 1985, in Guadalajara, Mexico. When she was a child, she enjoyed reading and helping her grandmother cook traditional recipes. Maria studied nursing at the university, and after graduating she worked in several hospitals around Mexico. Over the years, she has helped many patients and has received recognition for her constant work. One one of her biggest achievements was leading one community program that offered free health checkups to low-income families. Today, Maria continues to work as a nurse and has become a role model for many young students who want to join the medical field. She is notable for her dedication to helping others or their positive impact on her community.